Welcome back to computer science. I believe yesterday we were learning about sets, if I recall correctly. So, sets are they're collections of data, but in which they're unordered. So they're unordered sets of data, unordered collections of data created using curly braces or the set functions where within the set function you call or use an argument of. What do you use an argument of? It's like a list or a tuple, like a sequence type, I think. We talked about some set functions. Okay, yeah. Set functions like add. We'll add an element to the set. Right, so there's no duplicates because it's a set of unique, unordered elements. That's right, there we go. Set of unique, or a collection of unique, unordered elements. So the add function, okay, then pop, I believe the pop function will remove a random element from the set. Remove and then a value in the argument that will add an element to the set. I think that's all good. So we got set theory operations, right? These are like union and intersection. So set dot union, and then sets one or more set within the argument. That will create a set of the elements that are within. Union will create a set with all the unique elements that are in the different sets that are both the set one dot union and then within the parentheses those sets as well. So all the unique elements from all those. And then intersection will say set one dot intersection in the parentheses one or more set. That will create a new set of only the elements that are in set one, but also in each of the sets that are used as arguments. I think that's basically everything. Yeah. Right? Why not? I think that's good. Here we go. Sets, basics. Unordered collection of unique elements, great. Created using set function, good. Or so sequence type argument, list, tuple, string, great. Set literal, can be written using curly braces with commas separating set elements, pretty good. Can create an empty set using set function with nothing in it. That I forgot. Set.clear will create an empty set. We'll actually remove all the elements from a set. Sets are often used to get rid of duplicates from sequence types. Okay, kind of forgot that, but yeah. Sets are mutable, good. Add adds an element to a set, good. Pop remove an element, good. We can use len to get the length of a set. I forgot that. Set add value, set remove value. Raises a key error if value isn't found for set remove. Forgot that. Set pop removes a random element from the set. Other methods. Set one dot update. Set two. Forgot this. Set one dot update. Set two will add all the elements from set two to set one into set one. And then set clear clears all elements from set. Set intersection returns new set of elements that are in set one and each of the other sets. Set dot union. Set 2, set 3 returns a set of all unique elements between the sets. Okay, those are good. So what did I forget? Set dot remove value. If the value is not in the set, it will return a key error value. I believe that's a runtime error. Sets are mutable. They're often used to clear duplicates from sequence types. Set one dot updates, and then within parentheses set two, that adds all the elements from set two into set one. I think that's basically everything I forgot. Create an empty set using set function without an argument. Okay, so I'm gonna jump back in now, continue learning, then I'll be back to recall what I learned. All right, guys. We got 2 more set theory operations, okay? So we were talking about intersection union. What else are there? Okay, set 1 dot difference, and then set 2, 3, as many sets as you want as their argument. This is going to output a new set, return a new set with only the elements that are in set 1 that are not in any of the other sets. Then we've got set 1 dot set one dot symmetric underscore difference, and then set 2. You can only put one set as the argument. This is going to return a new set with the elements that are in exactly one of either of these sets. Okay, and now we just started the next unit, which is on dictionaries. So what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a container that stores key value pairs, or stores keys with associated values, I think. It's a dict, D-I-C-T type, that's the object type. So a key is essentially a name that has a stored associated value, and the value is the associated value to the key, such as a definition can be. And a key can be any immutable type, such as a tuple or a string or a number, and a value can be any type. All right. Set dot difference, set 1 difference, set 2, set 3 returns new set containing only elements in set 1 that aren't found in any other provided sets. Good. Set 1 dot symmetric underscore difference, set 2 returns new set containing only elements that are in exactly one of set 1 or set 2. Good. Dictionary. A container, good, used to describe associative relationships. Okay, container used associative relationships. So it's about describing relationships, associative relationships. Dict, object type, associate / maps keys with values. So a key is a term that can be located in memory or in the dictionary. I missed that. Can be any immutable type. Good. Value describes some data associated with a key, such as definition. Kind of good. Can be any type. Good. So dictionary is a container that describes associative relationships, and it associates maps key value pairs, or keys with values. A key is an object that can be found in a dictionary. Is an object a term that can be found in the dictionary, and then the value is a data associated with the key. So that's it for now. I'll be back later today to do a little bit more of this and see if we can't finish out the dictionary unit. So talk to you later. All right, welcome back to computer science again. Earlier we were working with dictionaries. Dictionaries store their containers that store essentially associative relationships between keys and values. That's all I'm gonna keep to for the recall right now, because I gotta finish this unit. I just realized it's due tonight, so hopefully I can finish this in one session. I don't have to go over, but we'll find out. And I'm also, it's the second session of the day, so I'm gonna be recalling all this information tomorrow. So talk to you in a bit. All right, about 5 minutes longer to finish up the dictionaries unit. So dictionaries, they are mutable. You can add new entries into the dictionary using dictionary name, and then within brackets a key, and then equals or gets, and then a value. If that key already exists in the dictionary, it's going to overwrite it and create basically overwrite the key value pair with the new key value pair. So that's how you modify a key value pair. You can delete key value pair by using del space the name of the dictionary, then within brackets the key. And if that key doesn't exist, you'll get a key error, which is a runtime error. Okay. Sometimes when you're writing the dictionary, if it's long and the key values are long, you'll use different like multiple lines, sometimes one line per key value pair to make sure it's good for reading or more easily read. So order is maintained within dictionaries in the latest Python. However, you can't use indexing. What you do instead of using an index number is you say the key within those brackets, just like an index. Instead of using a number, though, you use the key. You can create an empty dictionary using curly brackets. So you use curly brackets to create a dictionary. If I didn't say that earlier. Surrounding key value pairs. Yeah, that's everything from dictionaries. So that's it for today. I will talk to you tomorrow. See ya.